The $200 billion question has just been answered. I'm Anna, and on today's AI Unraveled Business Rundown, we are looking at the brutal realities of scaling artificial intelligence. Amazon CEO Andy Jassy just sent a massive signal to Wall Street in his 2026 shareholder letter. He aggressively defended Amazon's staggering $200 billion capital expenditure plan, revealing for the first time that AWS's AI revenue has hit a $15 billion annual run rate, while their custom silicon business is generating over $20 billion. Jassy says AI is moving 10 times faster than the electrification of the world, and Amazon is buying up every piece of infrastructure it can find. But while Amazon spends, OpenAI is hitting a physical brick wall. We deconstruct the breaking news that OpenAI has officially paused its massive Stargate data center project in the UK, citing crippling energy costs and regulatory burdens. You cannot train superintelligence if the national power grid can't handle it. Meanwhile, Meta is completely rewriting its playbook. Mark Zuckerberg's superintelligence labs just released Muse Spark. Abandoning the open-source ethos of the Llama family, Muse Spark is entirely closed and proprietary, proving that when the stakes get high enough, every tech giant builds a walled garden to protect their IP. Plus, Anthropic rolls out managed agents to own the enterprise backend, Sci5 raises $400 million to challenge ARM, and Perplexity's ARR skyrockets to $450 million. The full forensic business briefing is live now.